and I welcome you to Egypt.
Thank you very much.
And let me introduce myself.
I have resources. Now, experience of the United States as far as planning, as far as implementing, as far as producing in different directions, real production.
Let me first thank you for this interview.
We have the Suez Canal, we have the seashore of the Red Sea and also the Mediterranean Sea.
I am an Egyptian citizen. I love my country and my own people.
So there is a lot of things that I want to transfer from the United States to Egypt.
I wanted to serve them to ensure democracy, freedom, rule of law, and a better lifestyle.
This important country should be helped. You should stand to its side, to the people's side.
Let me talk by Arabic, please.
China, yes, from the others, yeah, from China, from Russia, from the Arabs, from the Egyptians outside, also from Europe, from, well, you know.
Thank you for this interview.